I also have taken judicial notice of the jail incident reports. You both should have copies of those. Have you both had an opportunity to review those as well?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
All right, Mr. Vasquez, you may proceed with argument.
Your Honor, I know Ms. Randall's had probation a couple of times in the past, and it didn't work out for her. But I'm arguing for anything that does not involve incarceration. Ask the court to just grant her probation with every condition, and that the court thinks best would help her to quit offending. And in lieu of that, I mean, in the alternative, Your Honor, I'd ask for something less than the 6 years if she's going to.
Anything else, Ms. Malfini?
Judge, I don't have any additional comments. I would just state that our agreement initially was to dismiss the new case because she already has the sequence felony priors. That would enhance anything further, but if the court disagrees with that, we can visit about it after the sentence.
So, Ms. Randall, I made some notations on this pre-sentence report, some issues and maybe some mental health issues that have contributed some issues in the past. However, there's nothing in here that makes me believe that any condition you may have is what requires or makes you go out and do what you've done. Literally since 1981. Your first theft that I have here was from an arrest from 1981. Then I have one after another misdemeanor thefts through 2018. Then we've got, starting in 1986, a robbery and a theft. And then we've got 13 felonies since then. These are your 14th, 15th, and I guess 16th felonies. At some point, you got to figure it out. There's opportunities when you are not incarcerated and not on probation to get the help that you need if that's what you think is the problem. I think the problem is you just like to go steal or rob, because I mean, we've got robbery, aggravated robbery, another robbery. Anyway, so at this time, in each of your cases, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you also entered your pleas of true to those prior convictions freely and voluntarily.